हाय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक माय यूट्यूब चैनल चैलेंज सक्सेस पॉइंट। मित्रों, आज हम लेकर आए हैं टीजीटी पीजीटी इंग्लिश ग्रामर के कुछ महत्वपूर्ण प्रश्न जो आपकी परीक्षा के दृष्टि से बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण साबित होने वाले हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21। व्हाट इज ए साइट? ऑप्शन ए, एड्रेस्ड इन वर्ड्स दैट ही अदर एक्टर्स आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू हियर। ऑप्शन बी, एड्रेस्ड इन वर्ड्स दैट द अदर एक्टर्स are supposed to hear. Option C, looking behind when one speak. Option D, not paying attention. The right answer of this question is option A, addressed in words that the other actors are not supposed to hear. Question number 22. Find out which part of the sentence has an error. If I am you. Option A, I would have seen to it. Option B, that I won the prize. Option C, no error. Option D. मित्रों, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, जब सेंटेंस इमेजिनरी हो तो हम am के स्थान पर where का प्रयोग करते हैं। So the right answer of this question is option A. If I were you सही होगा। So the right answer of this question is option A. Question number 23. Complete the sentence. Ottawa Rima is a space stanza in iambic pentameter. Option A, 4-lined. Option B, 6-lined. Option C, 8-lined. Option D, 10-lined. मित्रों, जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, Ottawa Rima is an Italian stanza from composed to 8 syllable lines, which rhyme is AB, 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 CC. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 24. Fill in the gap with a appropriate auxiliary. He was so tired that he space scarcely stand. Option A, could. Option B, did. Option C, should do. Option D, had. The right answer of this question is option A, could. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं, यदि वर्ब प्रेजेंट में हो यानी वाज के स्थान पर इज हो, तब यहाँ पर हम कैन का प्रयोग करते हैं, और जब ये पास्ट में हो तो यहाँ पर हम कुड का प्रयोग करते हैं। सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. Rearrange the sentence with correct order labeled A as PQRS. Choose the appropriate sequence. Option P. Only time will tell. Q. You credit the nation with. R. Whether the great future. Option C, will return out to be true. The right answer of this question is option B. सबसे पहले P का प्रयोग किया जाएगा only time will tell। उसके बाद में R, whether the great future। फिर उसके बाद में Q, you credit the nation with। और लास्ट में यस, विल टर्न आउट टू बी ट्रू। सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. हु इज द राइटर ऑफ रेक्लूस? ऑप्शन ए, शेक्सपियर। ऑप्शन बी, मिल्टन। ऑप्शन सी, कॉल्सवर्थी। ऑप्शन डी, वर्ड्सवर्थ। राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन T, Wordsworth. Wordsworth wrote Recluse. Question number 27. Complete the sentence. The term novel was taken from the Italian word. Option A, novella. Option B, novelli. Option C, novelette. Option D, novel. The right answer of this question is option A, novella. Who is the writer of descriptive sketch? Option A, John Milton. Option B, Shakespeare. Option C, Galsworthy. Option D, Wordsworth. The right answer of this question is option D, Wordsworth. William Wordsworth wrote descriptive sketch. Question number 29. Fill in the gap. King Lear had space daughters. Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. King Lear had 3 daughters. So the right answer of this question is option B. The name of them Gondil, Regan and Cordelia. Question number 30. Complete the sentence. The era of judgment in the tragedy is known as hemorrhagia. Option B, tragedy of blood. Option C, catastrophe. Option D, catharsis. The right answer of this question is option A, hemorrhagia. Question number 31. Find out which part of sentence has in error. The two students walked beside each other. Option B, in silence. Option C, no error. Option D. The right answer of this question is option B, besides each other. Besides के स्थान पर beside होना चाहिए, जिसका अर्थ होता है साइड बाई साइड यानी बगल में. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. Elsinore in Denmark is scene of a Shakespearean play which? Option A, King Lear. Option B, Coriolanus. Option C, Hamlet. Option D, Titus Andronicus. The right answer of this question is option C, Hamlet. Question number 33. Who is the writer of History of Britain? Option A, William Shakespeare. Option B, John Milton. Option C, William Wordsworth. Option D, John Galsworthy. The right answer of this question is John Milton. History of Villain. It is unfinished work of John Milton, written in 1670. Question number 34. Complete the sentence. The Globe Theatre was burned down in option A 1617, option B 1619, option C 1613, option D 1609. The right answer of this question is option C. The theatre was burned down in 1613. Question number 35. Others abide our question, the word free. Who has said this about Shakespeare? Option A, Wordsworth. Option B, Milton. Option C, Matthew Arnold. Option D, Ben Jonson. The right answer of this question is option B, Milton. Milton wrote, others abide our question, thou art free. Question number 36. Milton's Paradise Lost consists of space book. Option A 12, option B 10, option C 6, option D 8. The right answer of this question is option B 10. Question number 37. In which year Milton's Paradise Lost was published? Option A 1668, option B 1670, option C 1667, option D 1665. The right answer of this question is 1667. Paradise Lost was published in 1667. Question number 38. Complete the sentence. Simplicity, sweet music and melody are remarkable feature of. Option A, epic. Option B, ballad. Option C, ode. Option D, satire. The right answer of this question is option C. Simplicity, sweet music and melody are remarkable feature of ode. Question number 39. Who wrote lilies that pester smell far worse than weeds? The right answer option A Wordsworth, option B Milton, option C Galsworthy, option D Shakespeare. Shakespeare. The right answer of this question is option D Shakespeare. Shakespeare wrote lilies that pester smell far worse than weeds. Question number 40. Find out the mistake in the sentence given below. She has told me. Option A. That she saw my uncle. Option B. At the fair. Option C. On the last Friday. The right answer of this question is option C. At the fair. फेयर एट के स्थान पर इन का प्रयोग हुआ इन द फेयर होगा. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 41. व्हाट इज द साइनोनिम्स ऑफ विजडम? ऑप्शन ए स्वेल, ऑप्शन बी सेगेसिटी, ऑप्शन सी फूलिशनेस, ऑप्शन डी सरेंडर. द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी सेगेसिटी. सेगेसिटी मीन्स होता है इंटेलिजेंट और विजडम मीन्स होता है इंटेलिजेंट. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. Come thou mortal rich, with thy sharp teeth, this not intrinsicate. The right answer of this question is option A Cleopatra. Question number 43. Wordsworth has expressed his views on a transmigration of the soul in the poem. Option A The Prelude, option B Ode to Duty, option C Ecclesiastical Sketch, option D Ode on the Imitations of Immorality. The right answer of this question is option D. Question number 44. In which Shakespearean play does Quran appear? Option A Macbeth, option B Othello, option C King Lear, option D Hamlet. The right answer of this question is option C King Lear. Quran appeared in the Shakespeare's play King Lear. Question number 45. Name the figure of speech in which the line the more haste, less speed. Option A simile, option B metaphor, option C irony, option D epigram. The right answer of this question is option C irony. Complete the sentence. Dirge means a song of wedding. Option B a song of pleasure, option C a song of grief, option D a song of unfulfilled desire. The right answer of this question is dirge is a lament for the dead. So the means of dirge is a song of grief. So the right answer of this question is option C. Question number 47. Change the direct sentence into indirect. Mohan said, Alas, I am undone. Option A. Mohan exclaimed sadly that he was undone. Option B. Mohan exclaimed that he was undone. Option C. Mohan exclaimed that he was not done. Option D. Mohan exclaimed that he is undone. मित्रों जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में एलास को हटाकर हम एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सारो, एक्सक्लेम्ड विद सैडली का प्रयोग करते हैं और इन्वर्टेड कामाज के स्थान पर हम दैट कंजक्शन का प्रयोग करते हैं. सो द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए. मोहन एक्सक्लेम्ड सैडली दैट ही वाज अनडन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 48. फिल इन द ब्लैंक विद करेक्ट ऑप्शन गिवन बिलो. हिज विश इज tantamount space a command. The option A with, option B of, option C to, option D for. मित्रों जैसा कि हम जानते हैं tantamount is followed by preposition to. So the right answer of this question is option C. जिन मित्रों ने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, कृपया लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।